back! Manong Timyong here! Hey, naunsa. So, how are you? Welcome back to my vlog, and today just decided to go Waikiki beach. Actually, I just came out from work and just decided to go Waikiki just to check out there, hanging in a little bit. And so we all know, guys, that it's total lockdown here in Hawaii. So it's worldwide. So let's see what happened over there. If you guys are new here to my vlog, I mean my YouTube channel, please subscribe, please. All right, I'll see you guys later. Aloha. Look, guys, behind me, this is the Marriott Resort and Spa. Look, so what happening now is, look at the street. This is the busiest, one of the busiest street here in Waikiki side. But look at this. So this is the Kuhiu Avenue, one of the busiest streets here in Waikiki Beach. So every day here is a lot of people going out, in and out from their hotel, going to the beaches. And look what happened today. So this is crazy. Look at this, everywhere. There's a few people walking around, but yeah, just few of them, not like every day here, like a lot of people coming. So right now I'll show to you the main street here in Waikiki Beach, which is the Kalakaua Avenue. They call it Kalakaua Avenue here. So I'll show it to you guys. Here we go. Right, so this is the Kalakaua Avenue. This is the main street here in Waikiki Beach. So everyone gathering here every like nighttime. A lot of people coming here doing like stuff like playing guitars and dancing hula. And yeah, this is the middle of the street here. So this is where the stores like Harvey Winston's and the H&M. Also the Apple store is over here. So this is the Outrigger Waikiki. A lot of hotels. The main streets are really like crazy. So yeah, you can see this. Oh, there's a police. I need to. Wow. Waikiki today. Few people walking on the street. This is crazy. Supposed to be a lot of people over here on this side. Hey, aloha everyone. Manong Timyong here. Welcome back to my vlog. So guess where am I? So right now I'm here in Waikiki Beach, just hanging out and just check if what's going on this side, because we know the lockdown. So let's see what happened. All right, aloha everyone. So we're here at Waikiki right now. So I'll show it to you guys what's going on, what's happening here in Waikiki, because we already know that it's totally locked down this time. So people are not here. Like there's some people walking around, and look, I'll show it to you guys, and there you go. I'm sorry. So those are people like they're swimming out there. Yeah, but not totally plenty. Like usually here every day, like a lot of people here coming. And this time it's a little bit like fewer. Right, I see you some scene over here. Hey, so what's up everybody? I'm here on the back. This is Kalakaua Avenue, and this is one of the busiest street here in Waikiki. But look at this. This is what happened today. So when the pandemic situation starting, this is what happened. Like normal people on the streets. So this is one of the busiest streets here. There's still people walking on the street, like they're jogging around. There's still some people swimming, but not like plenty. Like they usually come over here, like a lot of people coming. So check this out. Love, man. So this is the first time I see Waikiki, like less people, only birds around. And here's my uncle over here. Say hi, uncle. Aloha. And then I'll show you to you guys at the beach. Let's go. Right, so as you can see, all the stores are closed. Even Starbucks, McDonald's, fast food, and restaurants are closed. Look at this. So everything is closed. Only few trucks, only vehicle are on the streets. All right, it's kind of hot over here, that's why. So look at this huge tree over here in my back. There you go. That was so big. All right, guys. So behind me is the Moana Surf Rider Hotel. Still here in Waikiki Beach. So this is one of the best, the most busiest hotel here in Waikiki. But look at this, it's closed. All right, there you go. So this is the main street here, Kalakaua Avenue. All right, there. I hope you can see that. All right, there you go. Less people. All right, so we're here. So we know that we cannot go out because of what happening, like the pandemic happened right now. So look, people around me, they're still here, walking, jogging around, and there's some people swimming out there behind me. Look, and they're still doing surfing and whatever they do. And then I just figure out like people are still here, so they're not conscious with what's happening right now. So I'll show it to you guys what is going on the streets. And this is like still people here, but it's kind of fewer and less people, not like normal days here in Hawaii, in Honolulu, I mean in Waikiki Beach. So I'll show it to you guys right over here. So everything is closed, but still Hawaii is pretty goddamn beautiful island, especially here in Waikiki. Here in Waikiki Beach, look at that, bro. See that? Hey, what up? Aloha guys. So I just show you what's going on out there in Waikiki Beach. So I'm heading home right now, and then please subscribe my YouTube channel as well as my Facebook page, which is the same name, Manong Timyong. So I'll see you guys next time. Aloha and